What is happening? The disappointment is this. I was making dinner last night, a meatloaf, a turkey meatloaf, from a recipe I found online.
Tuna is good?
I hadn't made meatloaf in a while, so I was following the recipe, and it called for a sauce, a glaze, folks. A glaze on top of the meatloaf that you apply about 20 minutes before completion, so you get a nice caramelization, the crisp on the top. See, there's the deal. So I'm making this sauce that this was recommended. Normally, when I was a kid, we just did ketchup on top, right, Vic?
Yeah, a little ketchup, that's it.
A little ketchup and a little Worcestershire sauce.
Yeah, a little cheese.
So I make the sauce that this recipe commands me to make, advises me to make, and now we got ourselves not just ketchup, but about a tablespoon of mustard and a tablespoon of honey, right? Squirt that up, mix that down, apply to the top of that meatloaf. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm eating this shit. I go, hang on! This is McDonald's sweet and sour sauce. I cracked the code. You want that McDonald's sweet and sour sauce? Go on. Ain't there